Hi there, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making buns with spinach. So I got everything here and I'm gonna start pureeing the spinach. Here I got fresh spinach and they've been washed. And I'm gonna add them to the blender here. Okay, now I'm gonna put an egg. Okay. And water. Okay, and I'll start pureeing them. So the puree gets done. And I'm just gonna bring it closer here. And I'll start putting the flour in this big bowl. Make sure you have a nice big bowl. Okay. Here I have salt, yeast, and sugar. And I'm gonna add them with the flour. And I'm gonna start getting the spinach here. Okay. And start mixing a little bit at a time. I'm gonna just add the rest in here like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna work this dough for about a minute until everything comes along and combined. So now I have some butter here on the side. I'm gonna add it to this mixture. Okay. We'll work the dough for about a minute because after it rises, you don't need to work the dough so much. And these buns are delicious. So we're gonna rise the dough for an hour and then we'll rise it again after I shake them for another hour. And you can start eating them. They're delicious. Okay, like I said, you work it for about a minute and then cover it. I think it's done, and we'll cover it with some salad wrap or maybe a lid here that I have. Okay, and I like to put it in a warm place, like in the oven, with the light on, you know. It rises faster. And there you just put some flour on top, just like that. And we'll wait until it doubles the size. So I'm gonna cover with the lid and I'll put it to rise now and I'll see you later. Okay, now I'm gonna assemble the buns. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of flour on the counter, just like a little dust of flour. I'm just gonna, now we're not gonna work the dough that much. I'm just gonna stretch it like that and I'm gonna just form it into a log and then I'm just gonna cut the rolls. I'm gonna shape them round. Okay, I'm just gonna work the dough like this until I get a nice firm log, and almost done. Let's see. Got it. Okay. Doesn't matter if the one it's bigger than the other. Looks like they're quite even. So you get about 8 rolls from this recipe. So what do? Just go like that. And I just pinch the 4 ends here. And just go make them round. If your hands get sticky, which I don't think so, but just in case, you just put a little bit of flour. And nice. And again, just go like that. Nice and soft, this dough. And yeah, kind of just make the balls like this. See? Oops, there. And just place them in the cookie sheet here with parchment paper. Okay, and then I'm gonna cover them with saran wrap, and I will show them to you once they're rice before I put them in the oven. Okay, I'll finish them up and I'll see you soon. Okay, the buns are ready to put in the oven. Okay, beautiful. Okay, and I'm gonna just put them now. The oven is ready. Okay, and I'll show them to you when they come out of the oven. Okay, the buns are ready. They're still a little warm. Beautiful color, nice and light. I cut one up to show you what it looks like from the inside. Soft, beautiful buns. And with fresh spinach, you can do it with frozen spinach. It's the same because I've done it before. Here you go, beautiful buns. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, ciao for now.